How to change Chipolo Bluetooth tracker battery. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to change Chipolo Bluetooth tracker battery. Now if you have other types of Bluetooth tracker, for example tile, you cannot change the battery because it's fixed. So the process is going to be same for any Bluetooth tracker which lets you change its battery. So before you do anything, just make sure what model is your Bluetooth tracker and what type of battery it uses. So for example, this is Chipolo ONE and it uses CR2032, which I have it here. And in terms of buying battery, I have a quick tip for you. If you buy battery from stores like Amazon or any physical or online stores, you're going to be paying $5 to $10. But if you go to a dollar store, I picked up these three batteries for only $1.31. So you can see that how cheap they are. So now if you take a look at your Chipolo, and then you're going to see there's kind of gap in the middle, and here is where you're going to try to open the the tray or door or the parts of Chipolo. So you can use one of these tool, or if you have a screwdriver, or if you don't have a screwdriver you can just use your nail, but I recommend using something like this. So I'm just going to remove it like this, and you can see that how easily it comes out. Now you're going to see the old battery, and you're going to remove the old battery using the same method. And also before you do that, just match the battery type one more time, and you can see that this is CR2032 and you have CR2032. So I'm just going to set it aside here. Now you're going to take your new battery. Just make sure that the sign where it says plus is facing towards you. So you're going to install it this way, not this way. If you do that, it's not going to work. So we're just going to take it here, and I'm just going to wipe it a little bit for a second, and then just put it back in here. And then you heard the noise, that means it's working perfectly. And then you're just going to match this hole with this hole like this, and you're just going to press this to open. Now the battery has been changed. Instead of buying a new Chipolo, you can just keep using this and save the planet and save your wallet. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.